guys, I am trying durian for you. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much.
350 baht is about 10 euros I paid for my durian portion.
It has a specific smell. It's so creamy. Can't even tell you how this tastes. It tastes like caramel, like a dessert. Wow. So delicious. Wow. Amazing. Very, very delicious. Can't stop eating it. It looks a little gross, but tastes so good. And then there come these kind of seeds coming out. So, I googled it. 150 calories per 100 gram. Very calorie dense, but very healthy. It has a very good ratio of carbs, protein, and fat. It has more carbs, moderate fat, and moderate protein. It's like all in one. Really good. Thumbs up. Love the durian. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the little bell icon so that you do not miss any upcoming episode. See you soon. Isn't it wonderful that we all have more than enough to eat? Yes, it is. But unfortunately, this is not the truth for all the children on this planet. With Share a Meal, you can make a difference and share a meal with a kid on this planet. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box, and you can click it and you can share a meal and make a difference.